How's it going? Welcome back to 4M Motors. Welcome back to 4M Motors. I'm AJ Hart, here today with another tutorial. Now if you're like me, you just got a new box for your EMOVE Touring scooter. And then your boss came to you and said, you don't get to keep it. You're just gonna open it up and then you're gonna put it away. Odds are the second half is not part of your journey, just part of mine. Today we're gonna be unboxing the EMOVE Touring scooter. Just going over kind of what it looks like taking it out of the box and getting it ready for your first ride. It's a really easy setup. We just want to make sure that you're going to be safe when you take it out for the first time. All you're really going to need is a knife. I looked at the wrong camera. I probably would have killed myself with that. So we're just going to go ahead and chop into this. Knife safety, y'all. Oh, that is not high enough to look at. Oh dear. Oh no, did I break this shank? Uh-oh, I'm experiencing technical difficulties. Now when you open it up, you're gonna see your charger. And the instruction manual, this little multi-tool, and this little rubber seal. That's actually a replacement for the rubber stopper that goes over the charger. I'll show you where that's at in a little bit. Now you'll notice that when I was kind of yanking it around and pulling it out of the box, it didn't unfold, and that's because of our genius intuitive design of this little lever. If you just push that down and then lift up, your scooter's gonna pop up and start standing up, and that's really all you need to do to make sure that your scooter's ready to come up and down. You just got to make sure that you lock it every time, because if you don't, you're going to run into an accident. Now the handlebars, once you're standing them up, you're just going to pull them up and snap them into place. Now you may notice a little bit of play with the handlebars, and if you want to change that, all you're going to want to do is pull this out, and inside you're going to see this little screw. Go ahead and loosen that a little bit. Don't tighten it, loosen it. Because this little screw, you need to fill this gap up top here. So if you loosen it, you're gonna get less play. Sometimes it takes a couple attempts to get it to the right distance. Now I loosened it a little too much and now it's not locking. So I'm gonna go back in and tighten it one little tiny smidgen. And it locks and there's no play. Good to go. Now you're gonna think you're almost ready to ride, but the handlebars might be way too short. So in order to adjust that, you're just gonna grab this latch right here. You can't really see it. You're gonna see this little latch here underneath the handlebars, and you're just gonna unlatch that. And then you should be able to pull your handlebars up. Now when you pull the handlebars up, you're gonna notice that this little pin locks at one of two different height settings, and you can just push that back in to unlock it. So, out of the box, you should have the charger, the little multi-tool, the rubber stop, the instruction manual, and of course the scooter itself. Now up top on the handlebars, you're gonna see the LCD display, and that's also gonna be how you turn on the scooter, and it's gonna be your throttle lever. All you're gonna wanna do to turn it on is hold the power button. And there you go. I did a full video on how the LCD display works and operates on this scooter, and you can find that video linked down below or by tapping the card in the top right. Holding it is gonna turn it off also. Now another quick power note, when the scooter's turned on, if you come down to the right side of the deck, you're gonna notice this little power button. If you turn that on, that's gonna be how you turn on the front lights and the back lights of the Touring. The scooter comes with a full charge, so you shouldn't need it before your first ride, but you're gonna wanna know where to charge it from. So if you remove that rubber seal, you're gonna see this little plug. That's where you're actually gonna plug in your charger. Once that's ready to go, you should be ready to start taking your EMOVE Touring out for any ride that you want. We hope that this video helped, And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and drop those into the comments down below. If you have any ideas for other videos you'd like to see us do, drop those in the comments down below too. We hope that this video helped, and we hope that you have a good ride.